Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to move rows in Microsoft Excel. Once you want to move a row, you don't need to copy the data from the table. After that, paste in the target row and then delete in the table. Let us begin to move the row. Click in the row that you want to move. I want to move row 4, Mr. Kim Lee. You can move 2 or more rows at once, but I want to move this row. Press on the Shift key and then move the cursor to the row border until you see this cross arrow, and we want to move row 4 to under the row 5. Drag it down, drop here. As you can see, the row 4 is moved. You can use the same trick to move the column. Now it's your time to try. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.